Hello everyone, my name is Michael Habib and I am from Egypt. Egypt is more than just a country, it's a civilization that taught the whole world everything. However, this civilization is about to fade out due to the environmental problems. Let's talk about the location. Egypt is a Mediterranean country. It's a country that is located by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Red Sea to the south and the east, and the main resource is the Nile River, which is the longest river in the whole world. Egypt is almost a desert. There is no mountains or no hills. Now let's talk about the industries in Cairo. I'm from Cairo, which is the capital. Cairo is the central city in Egypt. It's the economic center of Egypt, and the industrialization began in the 19th century and grew rapidly. It's revolved primarily around textiles and food processing. However, there are a lot of environmental problems. Egypt gets almost all of its water from the Nile, and the quality of the river water is seriously threatened by untreated industrial waste. Some of the other problems are the soil loss, urban growth, and air pollution. And one of the serious problems is the air pollution. Egypt had the 11th highest death toll, and there are numerous sources to air pollution in Egypt. Some of these resources are industries, open air waste burning, and transportation. Thank you for watching, and that's it.